Today is a very exciting day because I'm doing my first paint with me painting tutorial with Montmartre. We will be painting a watermelon mini and I will show you what you need, how to do it, and some little tips and tricks along the way. So enjoy. This is a collection of everything that you will need, including these brushes, but I will pop them below and you'll also be able to shop them online. Now you know what I'm gonna say, paint your backgrounds. And this is a non-negotiable. So once your painting has dried, we will be sketching out the watermelon. Now the key to this is holding your brush loosey-goosey. I don't want to see this. We will be just doing a loose sketch and we will just be using the red, and that's the key bit. Loose, none of this. We don't want to go too precise. We will now fill in the juicy part of the watermelon. Freehand, loose, it doesn't have to be perfect. It can be thick, it can be textured, all the good stuff. We're just going to be adding a little bit of a shadow to make it pop off the canvas. So I've just added a little bit more of the hooker's green to the rind to make it darker. I've added the shadows. Now we're going to add some white detailing to the seeds so they pop, and we'll be finishing the background and then you're done. And there you have it, your very own watermelon mini. I hope you had fun, and if you paint it, please send me photos because I want to see what it looks like.